In this video, we're going to look at how to configure Git to track only the files needed for a project, which will save a lot of time and effort managing a Git repository. Hi, my name is David Neal, developer advocate for Pluralsight, and this is Teach Me Tech. When making changes to your source code, you can use git add to select which files you want to stage for a commit. But that can get tedious if you have a lot of files. The good news is Git has a convenient way to select all updated files. The bad news is there are some files you may never want to commit to your repository, such as a local environment or configuration file that might contain secrets, a folder that contains packages or dependencies downloaded by a package manager, log files, or a local build folder. That's why you need a Gitignore file. A Gitignore file tells Git what to ignore. If you're using Mac OS, Linux, or the Windows subsystem for Linux, you can use touch.gitignore in a terminal to create a Gitignore file. Or you can create the file from within your favorite editor. The important thing to remember is the file name must start with a period and needs to be at the root of your project folder. The Gitignore file is a plain text file. Each line can be the name of a file, a folder, a pattern of files, or a pattern of folders that instruct Git to ignore. That's looking a lot better, isn't it? You can make exceptions to rules using an exclamation point prefix. Now Git will ignore all log files except a file named example.log. To improve readability, you can add comments to a Gitignore file using the pound or hash symbol. Here's a common issue folks run into. You've committed a file to the repository and later realize it shouldn't be there. You update your Gitignore file to ignore the new file. However, Git is still tracking it. What gives? Once a file is committed, Git will continue tracking that file regardless of what's in the Gitignore file. The solution is to remove the file from the repository. Adding a Gitignore file to your Git repository is a great way to make your repository easier to maintain and reduce the frustration of accidentally checking in files that shouldn't be included. I hope you found this video educational and entertaining. For more tips like these, subscribe to our channel. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. You can also head to pluralsight.com to dive a bit deeper into any of these topics we discuss here on Teach Me Tech.